Okay, so let's correct some of this shape. I think that's kind of breaking it a bit. Although it's not really that tight a corner, is it? It's quite a sloping corner, if that's actually a thing. That corner. Not GG then. GG. Move it down. Give the old EF. E. Oof. E. No. Not sure what that's supposed to be trying to follow. You know what? I'm just gonna nuke it. Nuke it. Earth? What? What are they trying to follow? Z. That down now though, hasn't it? Right. Protect your eyes. Yee. Just this one here, by looks. Just out a little bit. Yeah. That's the thing when you add edge loops, it'll put them in between the 2 points, but it doesn't follow the curve. Shows a way to get around that. I know it used to be a thing on 3D Studio. Just that one. Follow the flow. Follow flow or something? Rings a bell. Anyway, since I used that now. Right. I'm happy with that shape there now. I think. Although I can see that lumpy bumpy the roof. They literally do not need to be there. I think that I could just get away with one there and get rid of them. Because this is going to be the guide. So things going to snap to this. That's just out. GG. Oh, I tell you what, we've not really looked at the rear bumper area. How that comes down there. So it comes down from the wheel arch and then round the back. Down from the wheel arch around the butt. I don't think that's seeing, is it? I can get a side view of that, that'll be handy. Side view. Side view. Hello. No, and the only one we've really got is that. And that's obstructed by the rear wheel. Let's try this. Come on, Brian. You can do it. Not happy about them going around there like that. Talk in the background, hopefully you didn't hear. Scale on up. Right. I believe that fixed it. That was nice and easy. Yeah, this needs to be over. I'll just move it on. Blue square. Ain't gonna get rid of it. Needed, but I feel it will be lower. And I'm going to say that needs to be lower also. There's a slight curve to the roof. And what on earth is that doing there? Right. Looks a little close. Sorry, keep forgetting to talk. Ian. Put some awful music in the background, I guess. Nothing more annoying than having music playing in the background when you're trying to watch a video. In my opinion, of course. Other people may enjoy it. Ooh, block looks a little high. Right, this time. Yeah, right, so we shall name that guide body. And then we'll move it to a new collection called guides. Okay, that don't want to see it in renders. Not that it's rendered, but you don't understand what also what I need to do is just do a shift D, move that back to me, and it's pointless doing it that way, but I'm going to just name it body first. Never mind. Right, so we'll not put the shrink wrap on just yet. Seems crazy, but we'll cut the windows back out and create the post, etc. Just had a thought. Does does stopping halfway through saying something confuse you? What the hell was I gonna say? What was I gonna say? What was I gonna do? Something windscreen. Ah, hang on. Yeah, that's it. Does the windscreen curve enough? Yeah, me man. Blueprints. Right, hopefully. They look slightly behind there, don't they? So bring them forward. That one needs to go back. Now the funniest thing, of course, changed the body. Read the guide. Just trying to give that a nice curve. Sorry, stopped talking again, didn't I? Alright, let's try it back up again. Hide images. Did not look too square. No. Right, this time then. Shift D, duplicate. Move the copy to guides. Rename the guide. Wait. Right now, so if we ever make any changes to what's the point? We need to make sure the guide is what we want first before we start making any changes. Or adding anything, should I say. I don't like this line here. It's... And I'm going to move this, and that's going to ruin that one straight away. It's nicely lined up that way. But then that's the bonnet line. Actually, it's the guide, so it doesn't matter. So I'm going to move it. Of course, that has now rendered the body pointless again. Wait there a second. Right, still not happy with it. Space in here either. Right, and again, right, got to be stuff that you're happy with it. Okay, move back to main again. And yes, rename. Right, hopefully I'm happy with it this time. Right, so now let's start putting the windows back in. Right then, for now, go back to front. I've done it again. I think they need to be higher up. The top of the window curves. E for crying out loud. GG. It's all a similar sort of process, isn't it? I feel they need to come down now. My word. Whole line. That seems to come quite far there now also, doesn't it? So, again, let's break it again. I'd rather it be right than be slightly wrong. Oops. Scale Y. Hi guys. Again. I'm not going to commit to that guide just yet until I'm happy with this. See how that also out on the front. I think these need to come forward. That gives it another shape now.